Disaster Search Tool by our teammates are K.S. Ravli, K. Madhusai Saranya, M. Revati and G. Anuja. Our project mentor is Govindrao sir. Aim of the project. The aim of this project is to create an application that will allow the users to know the details of the businesses affected by a natural disaster or significant events related to natural disasters. What does the tool do? The project will allow relevant information to be published within 24 hours of the occurrence of the disaster. The main features for this project are to offer disaster-specific reports covering the impacted area for free viewing, as well as customized reports for affected companies that request this feature, integration with social media. This is the basic view of the tool. How does it help the users? As indicated by the recent international natural disasters, processing information as soon as possible is the only way to minimize the damage caused to the businesses. Finding about the disasters as soon as possible is the only way to aid the backup and recovery process. Main modules of the project: credibility analysis, Google Map integration, social media integration, and automatic alert system. Let's see the credibility analysis module of the project. Credibility analysis mainly deals with the genuinity of the news that is to be published on our website. We take the news from a source named RSOE Emergency Services, which is a direct recipient of news from the NRSC, which is the National Remote Sensing Center, India. This is the one of the famous satellite sensing agencies. As the news that is published by us is directly given by the satellite agency, the NRSC, it is prone to be genuine. Additional features for registered users. Registration form. In order to access our website for further information other than the news published on our homepage, users need to get registered with us. Unique ID. The users who get registered with us are provided with a unique ID. This unique ID is generated, assigned and sent to the user through email. Now, let us have a glance at the registration form of our tool. This is the registration form where you need to enter the details of your company, such as company name, address, city, state, country, email, and contact number. And this is the login form. Once you get registered with us, you will be seeing a login form where you need to enter the name of the company and the company ID that is assigned to you. Now let's see the implementation of the tool. This is the picture of the disaster search tool. The latest 2 disasters are seen on the front page of our website. Now let's see the login process. When you click on the login icon on the home screen, you enter into the login form. If you are already a registered user, you can enter your company name and company ID and log into our website directly. In case if you are a new user, just click on register. You can see the registration form as follows. Now let's see the example of an already registered user with us. I've chosen the company name as Google and the password or the 8-digit code that is assigned to the user. Let's log in. Now this is the home page of the user called Google. You can see the most recent disaster news which is published on his wall. users who get logged into our website are provided with two main features of search, which include simple search and advanced search. What exactly is the simple search? Using simple search, the users can just know if their company is affected by the current disaster or not. Advanced search. The users can search by using the company ID, company name, city, state, and country in which it is located in. This is the screenshot of the simple search feature. Now let's see the implementation of the search feature. As the company Google is not affected by any disaster, the search shows that it is not affected by any disaster. Now let's see the advanced search feature. The advanced search feature shows a list of the companies which are affected by the disaster. Google Maps. It is one of the important modules of our project. Whenever a user enters a query related to table, it will display the company details accordingly, including the location, which is represented graphically by Google Maps. When Google Maps link is clicked, details which contain the company's information will be displayed with the identification of location of the given company in the map. Now let's see the implementation of Google Maps in our tool. Here Google and Accenture are the names of the two companies which are into the list of the affected companies. Let's click on View Map and see what happens. This is the Google map that can be seen when we click on the view map icon. The distance between the 2 points is also calculated and shown on the screen along with the Google map. The approximate driving time, the distance between the 2 points on the chosen route, and the distance between the 2 points in a straight line. All these three things are calculated and displayed along with the Google map. What exactly is the distance calculation and why do we need it for? The distance between the disaster affected area and the location in which the company is present is calculated. This enables the user to analyze if he might be a victim of the disaster in case of spreading of the disaster or not. In case the user feels that he is in close proximity to the disaster affected area, he can take the necessary actions to keep himself and his company safe. Another important module of our project is social media integration. This project basically deals with the gathering of vital news as soon as it appears on the internet and then propagates this news to as large audience as possible by including the most popular social media tools as well as via traditional methods such as email updates. Nowadays, social media sites have become the fastest means of communication. Hence, an alert can be spread among a large number of people within no time. These are the three social media sites that are integrated into our website: Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter. As soon as you click on the Facebook icon on our website wall, you will be directed to the Facebook login page, and as soon as you provide with the username and password and log into your Facebook web page, you can see our home page on Facebook. Automatic alert system. This is another module of our project. Whenever there is an updation in the news, the evaluation will be done so as to know which companies and users are affected by the disaster. Alerts will be sent to the users even before our databases are updated. Advantages. The main advantage provided by this application is that the power of the trending news can be harnessed to provide maximum advantage to the users. Ideally, within hours of detection of a natural disaster, updates will be sent through our application. Additionally, as natural disasters affect surrounding areas, if they are not controlled, organizations and individuals can take the necessary steps beforehand itself, thus completely avoiding any threat to either individuals or data. Access free of cost. While the targeted audiences are the organizations which register with us, individual users can also access and use this data free of cost. Organizations or individuals who are registered with us have the additional opportunity to search our databases for news specific to their company locations. Helps in backup and recovery actions. As indicated by the recent international natural disasters, processing information as soon as possible is the only way to minimize the damage caused to the businesses. Having the information as soon as possible helps an organization quickly evacuate the employees and speed up the backup and recovery process. Our uniqueness. India is relatively lucky in having fewer natural disasters than most other countries in the world, but proven by the calamitous tsunami of December 2004, our alert systems are not as sophisticated as they are required to be. In addition, there is also not much information available to the individual users or organizations. Having the information as soon as possible helps an organization quickly evacuate their employees and speed up the backup and recovery processes. Conclusion. The disaster search tool provides the unique service of giving updates to about natural disasters in a timely and efficient manner. This service is currently not provided in a commercial manner on any platform. Another major advantage of this application is that location independent news is provided. Even if you are in Delhi and you have a company or a property located in Singapore, you can guide your employees to evacuate to a safe zone or even take some measures to save your property.